On the journey from Barmouth to Llwybr this morning, raising money for Mind Cymru, raising awareness about mental health and the importance of mental health and well-being. We as a team are raising money through walking the entire North Wales coastal path by the end of next month, by the end of October, by the end of this month. And you're more than welcome to join us or contribute to the cause, which is, I think you'll agree, a really important cause. The link will be in this post, and thank you for all your support and encouragement. And here's a little bit of the beauty of the North Wales coastal path. Our fundraising through this walk will go to our local Mind groups who are working directly in communities across North Wales, setting things up such as crisis helplines, providing drop-in centres, providing employment and training schemes, and offering services such as counselling and befriending. Mind's motto is that they won't give up until everyone experiencing a mental health problem gets support and respect. Every contribution you can make is valuable and extremely gratefully received. Hi, just getting back into the village of Llwybr now after about just over a 12-mile walk. As you can see, suitably soggy, being caught in the rain. The walk was really nice, thoroughly enjoyed it, even though it's been quite a refreshing finish. Please do consider supporting us, either with some words of encouragement or with some pounds and pennies if you can. It's for a really worthy cause, and I imagine that each and every one of us either knows someone or has suffered ourselves with mental well-being at some point, or we will do at some point. So let's get behind the cause. Diolch everyone, thank you.